This time we stayed at the Colorado River Campground in Columbus, Texas. It's a 𝗏𝗏𝗀�00 Trails campground. It is between San Antonio and Houston. This campground has two main sections, and we had the best site in the campground very close to the river. Check out why we like this campground. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. You'll come down Shaw Bend Road off of 71. There's a little sign that says 𝗏𝗏𝗀�00 Trails is down here, but you got to be looking for it. So pay attention to your GPS. This is also known as 1890 West. There's a Citgo gas station that's real close. They have firewood and other sundries. I'd say it's what, 3/4 of a mile to the entrance. You'll see Ram Rodeo to the left, and 𝗏𝗏𝗀�00 Trails is just past it, so don't miss it. It's 15 miles per hour on the main roads and 𝗏𝗏𝗀�00 Trails, and 5 miles per hour where the RVs are. They've had flooding here before. In fact, one of the bathrooms has a line showing where the flood line was. This bridge was flooded, so people couldn't get out, so quite a few people were stuck here when the river flooded. So when you come in, you're going to go off to the right, and there's the office over here. You'll get signed in. You do a loop around that tree. There's plenty of room there. And then you'll get your paperwork and come on through the gate. On the map here, you can see the two different sections. And the first night that we were here, we stayed in the front section in A29, which was a pull-through, just until we could get onto the river. And then we stayed at A35, which had a great river view. So let's go through the gate and take a tour through the campground. We are staying up here in this long pull-through temporarily until we can get a site with sewer tomorrow. So this is coming around the first of 3 circles. These are all full hookups.
That one's small. Yeah, these are all pretty small.
The middle portions look like they've been maintained a little bit better, but they're all short.
Yeah.
And then there's another circle. There's the cabin she was talking about.
Couple wild dragons.
Well, drag race. You'll probably beat us. Looks like the bathhouses are new.
Yeah, those are new.
Nice. Bathhouse A.
Hey.
Alright. This field out here, it's a huge field out here. And they've got a bunch of deer. We finally figured out why they call it 𝗏𝗏𝗀�00 Trails. It's because you're driving on trails. There are no roads. These things are rough. There are deer. Don't feed them though.
They look like they're doing fine by themselves.
Yeah, they have a sign in there to not feed them. Over here is an area that they have movies on Saturday night. If the weather prevails to be good enough, then they will play a movie out here. Guess they put a sheet or something up there on the on that wood. And
I think they got a roll down screen.
Oh yeah. And then they've got putt-putt back in here, which looks like it's all new. It goes way back in there.
It has been refurbished.
Sure has. Wow, it goes way back in there. That's pretty neat. We'll have to do that.
Might have to hire a caddy.
And then this section is back in here. And this is a combination of full hookups with 30, full hookups with 50.
Oh, they got fire
Full
pits
hookups
back
50
there,
and 30. And they got fire pits, okay. So this is coming down the first street here. On the right hand side, these are 30 amp full hookup.
I don't know how much gravel it has.
Not a whole lot.
Yeah, the one of those grounds like that support.
Another bathhouse
Brand new.
over here.
Like your car.
Thank you.
Zippy.
Zippy. They do have a thing about what kind of flags you can fly.
No.
You can't do anything political. Don't want to start any fights, I guess. Now, this part of the road's not bad. It's a nice campground, actually.
Different.
Yeah. Kind of spread out. Lots of land. And can't tell too much from here, but the river, the Colorado River in Texas, is on the other side of those bushes and things. Already met a few people that knew us from YouTube, including the person that checked us in, Kim. Here is the view from our site of the Colorado River in Columbus, Texas. We've got the site right next to it. Got Leroy there. And there's RV, and right there is the bathhouse. And that bathhouse had 6 feet of water in it. So I'm outside the bathhouse, and here it is the sign for the hurricane showing the level, which is probably about 6 feet. That's above my head. Well, these are new. Nice. Double shower curtains. And there's the handicap one. Very nice. There's another dumpster and the dump station.
Here, take a picture of the shooting range.
Uh-huh.
That's a picture of the shooting range right there. I mean, why waste a bullet? You might as well get
Get your venison right here.
Yeah. Get your money's worth.
There's the dump. And you can see us right there. Nice long site if you don't mind not having sewer. And it's a pull-through. We only have 2 pull-throughs in the whole place, but they don't have sewer. That's 829 and 30. But we fit on it. And we're across from the pool.
Hot tub.
And hot tub. And basketball court. Hot tub right now you have
Pickleball court.
Oh yeah, pickleball too. Right now if you want to use the hot tub you have to reserve time. Outdoor showers for the pool. Pool clean, but I don't think anybody's using it now. It's pretty cold here. Little shady area. Only 2 people are in the hot tub area at a time. Oh, they got a hot tub room. Oh, I'll go in here with you. 2 people at a time. Haven't seen anything quite like this. Let me go check out the women's restroom. There is a lot of land out here. And highways are far away, so it's quiet. Got some nice trees. Got the river. Nice bathroom. Put your stuff in here and go to the pool. Nice and clean. You'll get a piece of paper to put in your window with the date you're supposed to depart on it, and they'll write down the numbers for the code to get into the gate. It's 15 miles per hour on the main road, and there's 5 miles per hour where the RVs are. They have a little side area you can pull over so you can connect your tow vehicles. Here's the 2 pull-throughs, which we stayed in the one. Kind of temporary till you find a spot that has sewer. They just have electric and water there. Everything else are back ends. A lot of open field in this park. It's pretty. We think, and according to 2 of the people we talked to in the office, we have the nicest spot here because we're right on the river and there's nobody on one side of us. We have the best view. This campground is open all year round. They have 138 sites and a ton of amenities, including an 18-hole mini golf, which looked like it was just refurbished, picnic area, fire pit, a movie area, dog park, propane, dump station, basketball, shuffleboard, horseshoes, volleyball, pickleball, pool, a hot tub, a cabana, a playground, an activity center with billiards, a pavilion, a farmhouse, a 2-mile walking trail, an office with laundry next to it, and a fishing pond. Register. You can get packages shipped here, not mail, but packages, but it's $5 if the package is not related to your RV. And they have laundry on the left side. Open 24 hours. Nice and clean. $2 to wash, quarters. And then they've got 4 commercial dryers. Come on, Captain Popeye, let's see what you can do. A little weak.
Uh-oh. Oh, all right.
Oh, wussy, wussy,
Oh.
Do it, do it. Woo! What do you think about this one?
We'll see how this one goes.
Have another beer. Oh, no, out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Hey.
All right.
Let's check the
Oh, at that. Nice, huh?
Oh, there's an airboat. Boats are able to get through. Well, look what came to visit right behind our RV. Guess they want to enjoy the fire pit too. We're having a bonfire. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.